most people think you need to trade futures to make money in crypto. But what if I told you there is a way to make profit using just sports trading and P2P on the WEEX platform? So guys, if you've been struggling to make consistent profits on crypto, in my today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a legit BTC sports arbitrage strategy that a lot of traders have been secretly using to make a lot of profits in this 2026. This process is a hidden sports arbitrage opportunity, so please watch the video to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. So guys, in case you are just coming across my video for the first time, I drop legit updates on my YouTube channel on different ways to make money online, especially arbitrage opportunities like this, wherever I find something that actually works. So if you found this video helpful and you want to get more updates like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get updated whenever I drop more videos such as this. So guys, for this strategy, I'll be using the WEEX platform. I recently came across it while testing different arbitrage opportunities, and this platform caught my attention. Guys, currently I'm on the market section of the WEEX platform. This is the market section of the WEEX platform, and currently I went to the sports trading section of the WEEX platform. As you can see, I've located the BTC to USDT pair over here at the sports section. If you want to do, all you have to do is tap over here and then you look for the BTC to USDT pair. Currently, you can see that the current price of BTC to USDT on the sports market is at a rate of 67,603 USDT. So guys, I want you guys to be taking note of this price currently. And I want you guys to come over to the P2P trading section of the WEEX platform. And if we come to the P2P trading section, I want us to change this current pair over here to the BTC pair. Over here at the NGN side, we can see currently BTC to NGN is at a rate of, to filter out the amount to 100,000, maybe probably want to use. I told you we are going to be needing capital. Guys, I told you we are going to be needing a good amount of capital for this process. Currently, BTC to NGN in the P2P trading section is at a rate of 98 million naira, and so if you keep on going down, you'll be seeing other prices, but the best price currently for BTC to NGN in the P2P trading section is at a rate of 98 million naira. So some of you might have already started seeing a window for a arbitrage opportunity and would have been noticing how profitable this will be, but don't worry, I'll still be explaining it further so you guys can understand better. So follow me guys, I want us to be writing down the current rates down. Guys, if you could recall, the rate of BTC to USDT on the spot market of the WEEX platform was at a rate of $67,672, and then the rate of BTC to NGN at the P2P trading section of the WEEX platform was at a rate of 98 million naira. So I've taken note of this down. So guys to be paying close attention to what I'm about to explain, because of this is where the profits comes in. Guys, as you could see, BTC to USDT is the one that is at a rate of $67,672 on the spot markets, and then BTC to NGN is the one at a rate of 98 million naira. So for this process, we cannot use NGN directly to get USDT at the spot market. It's not possible. But what will happen is that, let's say we want to use a capital of $100 for this process. What we're going to do is that we're going to go to the P2P trading section of the WEEX platform and use NGN to get $100. Guys, currently this is the WEEX P2P trading section. I've changed this pair back to the USDT and the NGN pair currently. The current rate to get USDT for NGN is at a rate of 1,412 naira, 1,412.6 naira. So guys, I've already filtered this to a quantity of 100,000 naira because we are trying to get a quantity of 100 USDT. That's why I filtered it to a quantity of 100,000 naira. Take note that if you want to use a higher amount of capital, you are free to filter out this to a higher amount. And if you have to filter this to a higher amount, you'll be getting the USDT at a more cheaper rate, because the higher the amount of capital you want to get, the lesser the price that P2P sets. P2P merchant sets for you. So currently, if you want to get a quantity of 100 USDT, you can see we're going to be paying a total of 141,260 naira. So in order to get a capital for this strategy, but let's just say we're going to use that 141,000 naira to get $100. I want you guys to take note of this. After getting the capital of $100, the $100 is going to be in your funding account. What you are going to do is transfer that $100 from your funding account into your spot trading account. Once that USDT is in your spot trading account, you can use that USDT to buy BTC at the spot market. And as you can see, we have to come and buy the BTC at the spot market. So we're going to be using a rate of $67,600 That's our buying rate. So guys, if you want to use $100 to get BTC at a rate of $67,600, we're going to be getting a total of 0.001479 BTC. I want you guys to take note of this. This is going to be our total BTC that we're going to be getting from the stock market. If we are to buy BTC with a capital of $100, this is the total amount of BTC we're going to be getting back. Guys, after you've gotten this BTC is going to be inside your sports trading account. If to say you are go and buy this BTC at the futures trading, you will not be able to transfer this BTC to another back to your funding account, but it is at the sports trading section you bought the BTC, so you can transfer it from one account to another. That's the good part about sports trading. What you are going to do is you are going to transfer that BTC from your sports trading account into your funding account. And then once you transfer that BTC into your funding account, you will go and find a merchant at the P2P trading section and then sell it to him at a higher rate. So guys, let's calculate how much you'll be gaining if you have to sell this BTC back at the P trading section. So guys, the good news about this is that you can sell the BTC directly back for NGN. You just have to do is to come over here and change this pair over here back to BTC. And then once you've changed this pair back to BTC, you filter out the amount of you want to sell. Currently, I'm sure this BTC we have is going to be at a quantity of about 100,000 naira plus. Then various merchants will appear at which I can trade my BTC with. You'll be looking for a merchant at which will be profitable for you, and make sure you find a merchant with a verified badge such as this over here, so you will not encounter any problems while trading with the merchant. Currently, this merchant over here has a verified badge and the rate is at a good rate for me to sell the BTC for the person. So I want to be selling my BTC at a rate of 98 million naira for this particular merchant over here. And if I'm selling that BTC for this merchant, I'm going to be selling a total of 0. You can see guys, if I'm to be selling this BTC for this merchant at this rate, I'm going to be receiving a total of 144,970 naira total cashback. This is the total amount of money this merchant will be sending into my bank account back. Let's take note of this as our total cashback. Now, in order to calculate our profits, all we have to do is take our total cashback and minus our initial capital from it. So we're going to be minusing the initial capital of 144,000 that we used and 141,000 that we used and start this process in the first place. So if we were to minus 141,000 from 144,000 naira, as you can see, our total profit is going to be 3,710 naira per transaction. This is the amount of profit you'll be gaining per transaction per the times you did this process. And one thing about this process is that you can do this process over and over again. That's the good news about arbitrage process. So if you have to do this process for about 10 times in a day, you will be making about 37,000 naira per day if you can do this process for 10 times in a day. Guys, this is a strategy that a lot of traders are secretly using currently to make money on the WEEX platform. But you should take note that in order to indulge in this process, needing a registered WEEX platform to indulge in this process. So guys, making profits doesn't stop there, guys. It's not only through the arbitrage you can make profits. Right now, the WEEX platform is offering bonuses of up to $50 for new users and in total of up to $500 welcome bonus in welcome rewards. All you need to do is sign up using a referral link and complete your first deposit to be eligible for this offer of up to $500 welcome bonus. If you want to take advantage of this, you can use my referral link in the description section or comments to get started. Just click on the referral link and it will take you to the right way on how to get started. Make sure you do your calculations right and check if the process will be profitable for you with the amount of capital you have. This process might not be profitable for everybody because of some people, capital might not be profitable for them. Nothing I say or do in this video should be considered or taken as financial advice, please. You should take note that the higher the amount of capital you use, the more profits you tend to gain through this process. So that's why I said you'll be needing a very good amount of capital to indulge in this process. And also you will need to be very, very fast once you are indulging in this process because of crypto assets are a very volatile asset and their prices tend to change rapidly and fastly. So you need to be very fast once you are indulging in this process. So guys, that will be all I'll be showing you on my today's video. In case you find the video helpful, please let me smash up on the like button. And you can also subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates such as this. And you can share to your friends so they can get updated on updates such as this. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. I'll see you on my next video.